Good morning, everybody. This is Wendy with the Verity Group. Hey, I've had a lot of phone calls and inquiries lately from friends, clients, professionals in town asking about market conditions. I thought I would do a real quick vlog, and I'm doing this in two parts because the statistics can kind of be detailed. So what I've done is I've gone back to the third quarter of 2015. Now these statistics are pulled by the MLS on a quarterly basis. So at the end of March, we will get some real good indication of what's happening the first quarter of 2017, which is when we really started seeing some stimulation, and I'll talk to you about why I think that's happening. Okay, so let's take a look first at the median sold. Now the median is the average home. It's the average from the very top to the very bottom. In the third quarter of 2015, our median sold was 212,000. We were still doing very well at that time. We'll take that and we'll follow it down to a low here that we see in the second quarter of 2016. We hit 155,000. And now the fourth quarter of 2016, so just finishing up the year, we now had a median sales price of 143,000. That's a pretty substantial drop. Let's also take a look at the homes listed. So third quarter of 2015, we had 197 homes listed. We did a pretty good drop in the first quarter of 2016 to 166. Now, first quarter listings generally, we do see a slowdown. So some of this is just the annual average conditions. Second quarter of 2016, we went back up to 218,000. Keep in mind that a lot of these at this time were now short sales, foreclosures, distressed properties. And then we see a decrease to the fourth quarter of 2016 of 138,000. We can kind of get a grasp of why that happened. Not only was it fourth quarter, middle of winter, but we also, people that were able to ride out this storm that we've gone through for the past year and a half, they did it. So they said, I'm not going to sell my home in a negative. I'm not going to go upside down. I'm just going to see if I can ride this out. Let's also take a look at the solds. So in the third quarter, we had third quarter of 2015, I'm back to again, we had 106 homes sold. First quarter 2016, we saw that decrease to 44 homes. Now, very interesting, fourth quarter of 2016, we saw an increase in that number to 109. Let's talk about again why that happened. So we see a decrease in the homes listed. This is why it happened. The median was 143,000. So what has this done in our market? We are now seeing very low priced homes. We have a ton of investors in here right now that are looking to take advantage of the market conditions. They're looking to buy low, sit on them, do what they need to do, and sell high when market recovers. Now, we did see a pretty good hiring happening this week, 150 jobs through Schlumberger, and so that was exciting news. We also are getting a little bit of feel of some other things coming in. So this number I expect has already changed. However, keep in mind this is the median, so there are homes being picked up, and they are very, very distressed properties. I've seen some for as low as $30,000. Now those are cash purchases through investors, and then we've lost a lot of inventory in those middle properties between 150 and 175. This is, if you have a home and you're looking to list it in that price range, this is a great time for you. And then a lot of people right now are taking advantage of the investments, and they're also taking advantage of the opportunity while the market is still depressed, that they can do the step up. So they can sell their median home, that 150, 170, and step up to the 250 while it's still affordable. So I'm going to finish this on the second session. Thanks so much. I hope this has given you a good feel for what's going on, and see you soon. Thanks, Vernal.